a fucking little kid. Extreme paintball, we're all about safety.
Wait.
You good?
What's going on?
Folks, don't try this at home. This is what happens when you leave your shit at Extreme Paintball.
Extreme paintball is all about safety of ourselves and others, and not your shit. This is gonna fucking hurt.
Oh shit.
Fuck me in the ass.
What the fuck is this white shit?
Safety is what it is. So safety first. Y'all fucking made it.
Oh, it's insulated.
I was gonna adjust my balls and you screwed it up.